Right, people, this is TZ Community back again with new tutorial. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to create a calendar using Python. So let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that you have Python installed in your computer. So to install Python, just visit python.org and then go to download links, then download the Python install according to the OS you are using. So in my case, I'm using Mac OS, but I'm not going to download it because I already installed this, as you see here now. So I will assume that you have Python installed in your computer. Then open the Python IDE. Let me minimize the Python website, and then click on the file and then new file. After then, save the file as, choose any name you want. In my case, I'm going to save as my calendar.py, and then I press enter. And then let me show you how to create this calendar. So first of all, we need to import the calendar library from the Python library. So we need to write import following the word calendar, and then we're gonna create the variable which is here is equal to int, and then we say input. Because we're gonna ask it, we're gonna tell the user to input the year. So we type any message you want. Enter here you want to create a calendar, okay. And then we're going another line, we can say call. It's something like constructor. I think this is something like constructor, calendar is equal to calendar dot calendar. Yeah, yeah. And then we're gonna print this cal. So when I save and run this, you can see, whoa, I think there is an error here, indent space. And do not afraid of the error, my friend, because so here now I'm gonna save again and run it. Please enter it. Yeah, you want to create calendar. So I'm gonna say 2003, and then press enter. This is our calendar of 2003. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for the more videos and more tutorials. Thank you.